Welcome to Living Healthy with COPD. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Wheezing. When you have COPD, the airways that allow oxygen to flow to your lungs are often more narrow than normal. As the air struggles to get through these thinner passageways, it causes the airway walls to vibrate. The vibration produces a whistling sound known as wheezing. It's the same sound that people with asthma sometimes make when they have difficulty breathing. Bronchodilator and steroid medicines can open up your airways to improve breathing and relieve your wheezing. Wheezing is a serious symptom that requires medical attention, especially with symptoms that include yellow or greenish sputum production, fever or chills, a worsening cough, shortness of breath. Living Health with COPD. Subscribe for daily video uploads. We have videos for everything COPD. From daily motivational videos, to exercise tips, health tips, diet, and supplement tips, study and article reviews. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of our daily videos. Have a blessed day and be COPD strong.